Hi guys, today we have a combination puzzle of animals. Let's see this beautiful puzzle together. In this beautiful puzzle we have a giraffe, a bear, a hedgehog, a pig, a frog, a panda, bear, an owl and a tiger.
It is our duty as children to protect animals and love them. Animals make our world more beautiful. The giraffe lives only in Africa. The giraffe is one of the largest mammals on earth. It is interesting to know that the height of the giraffe exceeds 6 meters and its weight reaches 116 kilograms. When lions attack, giraffes use their long necks to defend themselves. The rest of the animals in the puzzle live in different parts of the world. I hope you enjoy this puzzle.